Good day, friends. Good day. It's your favorite forgetful detective here. The name's Dom. And today I've got a mystery for you. But first, welcome to the MindStorm channel. The channel that helps give you ideas and tips on being an entrepreneur and running your own business.
Hey, how does my voice sound to you?
My name is Dom. And you see, as a detective, I rely heavily on my memory. But let's be real. Who doesn't forget things every now and then? Because I'm a detective and I rely heavily on my memory. But, who doesn't forget things every now and then? That's where AI comes in. It's like having a superpowered sidekick, probably named Watson, who never forgets anything. And that's why I've been using an excellent site called
futuretools.io
to help me keep track of all the latest and greatest AI websites out there.
Speaking of future tools, let me tell you a little secret about myself.
I bet you're wondering if my voice was AI generated. What do you think? Think it's a real voice? Or did I maybe hire a voice actor? Or did I find my voice from one of the sites that Future Tools showed me? I'll tell you at the end of the video, if I don't forget.
Now, you see, I'm a detective and rely heavily on my memory. But let's be real. Who doesn't forget things every now and then? And that's why I've been using an excellent site called Future Tools to help me keep track of all the latest and greatest AI websites out there. Take a look at this. futuretools.io. It's like the Google of AI. I can simply type in what I'm looking for and boom, I get a list of websites that have exactly what I need. Can you believe it? I no longer have to spend hours searching for the perfect AI tool. Future Tools does all the work for me, and it's not just about finding the right website. Future Tools also helps me stay up to date on the latest advancements in AI. They've got articles and blog posts on everything from the latest breakthroughs to the most innovative AI applications.
And the best part, it's free. That's right. No need to pay a single penny to access all the benefits of Future Tools. It's like finding a hidden treasure in the vast sea of the internet.
Dang, my voice sounds awesome.
Doesn't it? There's no way it could be auto-generated text-to-speech. Could it?
Future Tools is run by a guy named Matt Wolf. He mentions in one of his videos that AI actually helped him build the entire site. Pretty amazing if you ask me. And you can ask me anything. Because I am a detective, my name is Dom. One of the awesome things about Future Tools is the way it's all categorized. Everything is very easy to find, and all you have to do is click on one of the websites to see if it's cool. Some of the sites are super new, and some of the apps may not work 100%. But just come back and check. AI is happening fast now, faster than I can think sometimes. I'm glad Future Tools is there to gather everything for me, so I don't have to be a detective and track them all down myself.
Speaking of myself, my name is Dom, and there was something I was going to tell you, but I don't remember.
Now let's see what else Future Tools has. If I click on this little button here, text to...
Oh yeah, I remember. I was going to tell you about my voice. Yes, it's AI generated. It really truly is. And it literally blows my mind how good it is. It's a site called ElevenLabs.io. And it's not really text-to-speech. It's more like a real person's digital voice.
Is this my voice now, or is Mark just typing something on a screen? Let's see. Oh, my freaking landies.
The guy that created me. Mark Sylvester will be doing a tutorial on all of this in a future video. So for now, make sure to subscribe to the MindStorm channel so you'll be alerted to how he does it all. In the meantime, take a look at ElevenLabs.
The pricing is reasonable, and you get some incredible bang for your buck. You don't have to be a super sleuth to hear the inflections in my voice and suddenly get ideas on how to implement the voices into your own projects.
As an actor, I pretend for a living. I play fictitious characters, often solving fictitious problems.
As if pretending that climate change wasn't real would somehow make it go away.
I should warn you though, playing with the app will burn through your credits really fast. Ha! Mark spent hours and blew through credits really quickly.
So, I hope this inspired you and gave you some great ideas. Make sure to visit futuretools.io and see the wonder of its AI collections. It's a fantastic site, and stick around the MindStorm channel and Mark will be putting out a tutorial or two on how he created me and found all of these fantastic voices. Like and subscribe! And I'll keep trying to innovate and keep giving you ideas for your business.